stop counting the days. Lately I heard you were doing well, though I don't know how that feels. Believe in me.
They seem so hard to find. I tried to reach for you, but you have closed your mind. Whatever happened to our love? I wish I understood. It used to be so nice. It used to be.
Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck 'cause it's your birthday. You'll find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need. If you need to, I'm in there getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need. If you need to feel the buzz, I'm in there having sex. I ain't in there making love. So come give me a hug. Get in there getting rough. When I pull up out front, you see the Benz on dub. When I roll 20 deep, it's always drama in the club. Now that I roll with Dre, everybody show me love. When you sell like Eminem, you get plenty of groupie love. But homie, ain't nothing changed. Roll down, G's up. I see exhibit in the cutting, man. Bro, if you watch how I move, I'm mistake before I play up here. Been hit with a few, now I walk with a limp. In the hood, in the lady saying 50, hot, they like me.
I was sick and tired of everything when I called you last night from Glasgow. All I do is sit and squeeze and say, in fact, I'm a bit of a bore. If I had never crossed, so imagine I was glad to hear you coming. Suddenly I feel alright, and suddenly it's gone. And it's gonna be so different when I'm on the stage tonight. All I want is to sing it out loud. So I say thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy they're bringing. Who can live without it? I ask in all honesty. What would life be without the song of the dance? What are we? So I say thank you for the music.
When your world is full of strange arrangements and gravity won't pull you through, you know you're missing out on something. Well, that something depends on you. All I'm saying, it takes a lot to love you. You know it's true. It's one thing that turns
told her, city folks ain't the same. But she kept as a postcard. The big city be nice. That's the place for the action. Gonna have a slice. Look at the scouts. Where are we been? I'll think some of the best. I know I'm free. Simply, I don't wear no suits. The house I'm Lots of the warnings. Oh, there's a lose away. I think you'd agree if you saw her. Rose back in the day. And they got shred on the papers. Goody two, goody two, goody goody two shoes. Goody two, goody two, goody goody two shoes. Don't drink, don't smoke. What do you do? Don't drink, don't smoke. What do you do? Suckle in you when does follow. There must be something inside. Don't follow fashion. That'd be a joke. You know we're gonna set them, so everyone can take notes now. I'm the Danny Highwayman of your two sketch of mention. I spend my cash on your collection. The way you look to qualify for next year's next picture. Stand and deliver the money of your life. I'm the Dandy Highwayman, so sick of easy fashion. The clumsy boots become ropes that people think so dashing. So what's the point of robbery when nothing is worth taking? It's kind of tough to tell a scrap the big mistake is making. Stand, my superstar. 2 weeks and you're an all-time legend. Rise and be right, noble in a life. And even though you fool your soul, your conscience will be mine. Oh boy. We're the Dandy Highwaymen, so tired of excuses, of deep-meaning philosophies where only showbiz loses. We're the Dandy Highwaymen and here's our invitation. Throw your safety overboard and jump. Well, I'm standing here while I see the big knocking. The rest is outside. I can deliver the money of your life. Rise the mirror, not bullet or a knife. Even though you fool your soul, your conscience will be mine. Will be mine. Oh my.
Do I stress you out? My sweater's on backwards and inside out, and you say how appropriate. I don't want to dissect everything today. I don't mean to pick you apart, you see, but I can't help it. And there I go jumping before the gotcha has gone out. Slap me with the splintered ruler. To the farmers that there are
and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. Us and a million miles. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm from the other side. I'm from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. It clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. Hello, how are you? It's so typical. I've been a girl with her skirt pulled high. Been the outcast, now I'm running with mascara eyes. Now I see the world as a candy store with a cigarette smile, saying things you can't ignore. Like, mommy, I love you. Daddy, I hate you. Brother, I need you. Love or hate with you. I can see everything here with my third eye. Like the blue in the sky. God is a DJ. Life is a dance floor. Love is a rhythm. You are the music. God is a DJ. Life is a dance floor.
keys. Solution, remedy. Enemies becoming friends when bitter shapes in minor keys. Solution, remedy. Enemies becoming friends when bitter shapes in minor keys. Solution, remedy. Enemies becoming friends when bitterness ends. This is my church. This is my church. God is a DJ. For tonight, God is a DJ.
Ebenezer good. His friends call him Easer and he is the main geezer and he vibe up the place like no other man could. He's refined, he's sublime, he makes you feel fine. They're very much maligned and misunderstood. But if you know Easer, he's a real crowd pleaser. He's never so good, he's Ebenezer good. You see that he's mischievous, mysterious and devious when he circulates amongst the people in the place. Once you know he's fun and something of a genius, he gives a grin that goes around face to face to face. Backwards and then forwards, forwards and then backwards. Easer is a geezer, he loves to muscle in. That's about the time the crowd will shout the name of Easer as he's cocked in the corner laughing by the bass bin. Easer good, Easer good. He's Ebenezer good. 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 He's Ebenezer good. Has anyone here got any Veras? Lovely. growing. Keep on trying and keep on sowing the seed. You know the, yo, here we
A great philosopher once wrote, naughty.
Easy good, easy good. These easy good. These easy good.
Has anyone here got any beerers? Lovely. A great philosopher once wrote, naughty, very naughty.
Ebenezer Good leading light of the scene, know what I mean? He created the vibe, he takes you for a ride, and this is by design. The party ignites like it's coming alive. It takes you to the top, shakes you all around and back down. You know as it gets mellow, then it's smooth as a groove that is making you move. He glides into your mind with a sunny hello. A gentleman of leisure, he's there for your pleasure, but go easy on all these, or he's a love you can lose. Extraordinary fella like Mr. Punchinella. He's the kind of geezer who must never be abused. When you're in town and Ebenezer is around, you can sense the presence in the sound of the crowd. He gets them all out. The party starts rocking, the people get excited. It's time to shout loud. Easy good, easy good. He's a good, easy good. Easy good, easy good. He's a good, easy good. Easy good, easy good. He's a good, easy good. Easy good, easy good. He's a good, easy good. He's a good, easy good. He's a good, easy good. Easy good, easy good. Easy good, easy good. He's a good, easy good. Got any salmon? Sorry.